2 minutes Tuesday.
The Soundears are exactly what you'd expect, a custom moulded noise reducing earplug with built-in Bluetooth headphones. These then are ideal if you don't have a comms unit but still want to be able to listen to music, take telephone calls, or indeed instructions from your sat-nav. I've already reviewed the squidgies and a couple of the other models, so I won't go through the process for that. I'll leave links in the end credits. But these are made from a double grade silicone, so you've got an ultra soft piece which goes into the ear canal, and then you have a slightly firmer silicone to support the speaker that's inside and make sure that it doesn't get damaged. The earplugs themselves offer a CE tested and certified 31 decibels of noise reduction, and the beauty of the Bluetooth speakers is that you can have them turned to a very low level not to damage your ears, yet still get crystal clear sound. The Soundears use Bluetooth 5.0 protocol. They have a 10-meter range, a 9-hour talk time, 8.5 hours if you're listening to music, and a massive 180 hours of standby. In practice, I found them very easy to pair. You just press the center button on the remote to switch them on, hold that down to go into pairing mode, and then connect to whatever device that you want. I had no problems with my iPhone, no problems with my TomTom. In actual fact, they will connect to multiple devices, so I've had them connected to the sat-nav and the phone simultaneously. There's a micro USB socket on the side for you to plug in the cable which is included in the pack, and a crocodile clip to clip it onto your clothing just in case the earplugs fall out. The microphone in the unit works for voice controls and obviously for talking on the phone, but it's not designed for use whilst riding. You need to get this set up before you set off, and ideally have your phone set to auto answer. I am an advocate for using earplugs, and I think these are a great solution. They'll give you that noise cancelling and will also give you the ability to communicate with devices but not have to fit a dedicated unit to your helmet. They're also pretty damn good for just using to listen to music around the house. They're priced at £235 a pair, and I'll leave a link in the description below.